What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today when I talk to you about Ripple, I want to go over some of the data points, what's influencing it, and where I see things going. Before we get into any of that, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, and with that, let's get right to it. So Ripple right now is flat, 1.24 billion in volume over the last 24 hours. So that's always good to see. So it's kind of maintaining itself. Over the last 5 days, though, it is up 1.61%. So that is very baffling to a lot of individuals because cryptocurrency, yes, a lot of people overcomplicate it, but it's just simply consumers' buying power and people's appetite for risk. And as of right now, the fear and greed index across the board, the larger one, is under the extreme fear category, and it is 4. So people's appetite for risk isn't there. So you would assume that cryptocurrency would just go down massively, but like I said, it is kind of maintaining itself, and the reason is that the dollar is weakening. So people are fleeing from equities to cryptocurrency. So even though essentially you see, like in the past when a lot of uncertainty is in the market, you see people fleeing crypto. But at the end of the day, though, I feel like with the dollar weakening, people are actually seeing value with cryptocurrency right now. So it's kind of a unique circumstance. So at the end of the day, just people are rotating from the equities to crypto, as well as some money market that did go down a little bit last week. So I feel like that as well, people are rotating into cryptocurrency. So it's getting some much needed attention. And to make things rather kind of odd as well, over the last little bit, you have seen a lot of shorts returning some of their positions. And so this shows all the liquidations, the longs and the shorts right here. So for whatever reason, shorts are liquidating. Maybe they do feel like there is going to be a larger rotation into cryptocurrency, pushing it like very high, as what we've seen in the past. When you do get a lot of volume, you get like it spiking like crazy. So essentially that's exactly what cryptocurrency needs, is just a inflow of capital, and maybe that's why shorts are starting to return. And as far as right now though, the fear and greed index, the crypto one, is under the fear category, so it is 27. So people's appetite for risk is a little bit better than what it was. So it looks as though that crypto did bottom when it was at roughly 15, and that was on March the 10th. So it is kind of a 1 month delay from what happened last year, and we already do know that pretty much it went to kind of all-time highs for the most part. So all it needs is a nice little push, and the dollar weakening might be that starting kind of momentum that crypto does need. Of course, Ripple itself does have a lot of good pending catalysts, but no real timelines on a lot of that, such as ETFs and whatever else. Ripple is still ranked number 4 based on the market cap. So once it does go through another expansion, then this is where it should stick to number 3 for good from here on out. It just needs that, like I said, nice little push. As far as right now though, there isn't really any news associated to crypto, so no big updates for that. Looking here just right now with at $2.12, it is trading between this pivot and this S1. So 233 is going to be a key point, and that's going to be the next strong target. Flip side, 191 will be that next strong support. Moving over to the 4 hour, just to give you a quick shorter term viewpoint, 206 will be another support in between that. So just kind of watch for that to hold in the next couple trading days. Aside from that, 196 will be the next strong support. Cryptocurrency is just very hard to time the bottom on. Of course, you have a lot of individuals just kind of screaming from the rooftops saying that this is the mother of all short squeezes is coming and that you need to get in now. I feel that any crypto that you believe in, whether it be Ripple, Bitcoin, or anything that has good utility, you should just dollar cost average. So every time it does dip or gets close to one of these support levels, just buy the dip when it comes down to that, because long term it should work out fairly well. Just timing, that is it, right? Because I don't think anyone could have really predicted the weakening dollar causing crypto to go higher. I think a lot of people would assume that crypto will just go down with the broader market. So a lot of unique stuff is happening all at once. So let me know your thoughts. Have you rotated into crypto from equities? Were you buying the dip, or did you potentially sell out? What's your kind of general thoughts on Ripple, crypto as well, just everything? Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Nice short video. One final thing though, if you are looking for some kick-ass buy signals, pop over to my Patreon. I give buy signals on stocks, options, and crypto. So definitely worthwhile to pop over there and take a look. With all that, appreciate all of you watching.